Hi, this is Roger with Universal Accounting Center, and this is Scott McKinley.
Hello.
Hello. We're going to talk today about self-confidence, going into a client and basically making some differences, particularly in their cash flow. We've all heard cash is king. We know that. We understand that. We're in business because of this cash. So what we're going to do is talk about some of the things that we can help our clients with to help their cash flow. So let me just first of all ask, what is one of the reports that's probably least used or maybe misunderstood that could make a difference with the client?
It's interesting you say that. Commonly, I hear from students I work with that a statement of cash flow is one of the most important reports, but they never see it with their clients or the people that they're trying to gain as clients.
Very good. Now, one of the things that I've seen also is with cash flow, the business owner oftentimes has this mistaken thought or belief that just by calling the bank, there's where my money is, and that's just nothing more than a snapshot in time. That's what they have then at that moment. What we need to help them understand is that there's this flow of money coming from what is owed them, and that can be not only just understood but better determined as to when monies are going to be coming in, but you also have your payables, when monies are going out, and you can control both of those venues, and sometimes you can squeeze them, sometimes you can open them up based on how that money flow is functioning at that time, right?
Right, absolutely.
Now, go ahead.
I was going to say, one of the other things that I really think that you should pay attention to when you're talking to a person is ask them, have you ever paid a penalty to a bank?
Yeah.
An overdraft fee. Lots of people are doing this. Lots of business owners are making this mistake. This is a system that you need to tighten up, because this could eventually cost a business thousands of dollars throughout the year. If you can stop that problem of the overdraft fees and the penalties that are associated with that, that should pay for your services.
Oh yeah, now
just by doing that.
One of the things that I can definitely recommend is, having worked with people before, it's some people are horrible with cash, but they're great maybe mechanics and so forth. Just because they're a good mechanic doesn't mean they know how to manage their money. So get in there and help them out. Maybe they need to be on debit cards or credit cards. Maybe they need that line of credit to work. Maybe they need some bank line of credits that you can give them access to. More importantly, what you can do is help them understand what relationships they should have with their accounts payables. Maybe they're working on terms that are unacceptable, and you can lengthen or improve those terms. All of these things can benefit the cash flow situation of the client. And cash is where a lot of times the stress comes from. If the client doesn't feel they have the cash to operate, they're being squozen, that's what's going to give them the stresses. What we're going to do is we're going to help them realistically relieve that stress, and you become that expert that you need to be in their lives. So there are a lot of ideas here. Talk to your coach. This is just a sampling of some of the things that you can and should be doing for your clients. Obviously, you're an accountant. You have a lot of ideas as well. Hopefully, this has just triggered a few thoughts. Let me just end on this. If it's about accounting, it is universal.
I like to say accounting success is universal.
Have a great day.
Accounting success is universal.
Counting success.
Bye.
Bye.